spinning, pushing, sliding, and colliding.
And the car just slid sideways down the hill. As soon as I was broadside on the hill, it just slid straight down.
Steve Page is one of 6 drivers that smacked into each other at the intersection of Northeast 47th and Halsey. Eric Winters is another.
People were just sliding sideways.
As police set out flares and block off the intersection, just a few feet away, the driver of this Jeep doesn't stand a chance, and back down the hill it goes. No mercy from this observer.
Oh man, he was a 10, off the charts. We're talking about a 4-wheel drive vehicle with only 2-wheel drive engaged. Clueless, totally clueless. I love it.
Not a great day to drive a bus without chains. The TriMet bus slips and slides, finally stalling right next to another TriMet bus. Now both block the intersection of 39th and Sandy. Not that these drivers are going anywhere. This driver spun her wheels till she blew her engine and coolant exploded all over the road. In the meantime, on I-84, which has been at a standstill for hours, desperate drivers make potentially dangerous decisions, exiting 84 in reverse up the on-ramp back onto Sandy. Back on Sandy, a city worker shows up with some sand for that bus, but not before some riders decide walking will be quicker.
I started doing Sudoku. Then I realized this bus is going to be here a while, so...
Finally, the bus is free. But that white SUV is going to need a tow truck. And the pushing and spinning continues. You were trying to